Welcome back to the show with the juice that's stupid fresh. Yo, my name is djitruth. This is Kicks, and Snares TV. You know what it is. We are about to go on some new I don't know what it's going to be. And this is a toss-up. So let's go. Just rock with me and trust and believe that you're going to see some real dope. Peace. Hey, what's up? It's djitruth. Welcome back to Kicks and Snares. And today we're just gonna swap out a speaker for my Yamaha Ns-10. Now this is a DIY. I got that right this time, right? I always get it wrong. We're gonna swap out the speaker. I ordered another one right here, another woofer for it. I'm gonna swap this one out. You know, I did a little band-aid job on it because the coil, I guess, erupted in there. So, you know, like, we're gonna keep it short. I'm gonna play some beats in the background while we take out this replacement by Avatone. Avatone, they make like I guess the bootleg version of the Ns-10 woofer. If you look online, the woofers are ridiculous in price. So hopefully it sounds as good as my original Ns-10 woofer. If not, you know, I'm not gonna throw away my that one, because what I'm gonna do is probably try to get a repair kit and try to repair this myself. I don't really care. I'm just gonna try it anyway. So I also bought a replacement one from Vintage King. They make I think they produced the Avatone, which is like a knockoff of the Yamaha Ns-10. These are great reference monitors. You shouldn't bang out on them because they're not built for that. They're just built for like listening back as another pair of speakers. You know, with that said, we're slowly saving up for the Yamaha NS7s, HS7s. So we're gonna be replacing the woofer. Here's the new woofer right here, and then we're going to do a test. All right, so let's unveil the replacement speaker. Let's go. Give me the knife.
The safety of the game because the object of the game is to checkmate. Something we'll explain clearly later on.
Some manuals, a whole lot of fluff. Avatone MILF. No, Avatone MLF. Right? So, let's see how this looks. Okay, comes just like a regular. Boom. Yeah. Some protection on there. Boom. Alright, let's get this. Okay, for this job, we're obviously going to be needing our speaker, our replacement speaker here, some rosin, a pair of snips. I just grabbed whatever I could find right here, what was available, and our soldering tool. All right, we're going to untin the contact on the speaker right here, on the previous speaker, and then we're going to tin the cable all over again and make the job and solder it back in there and make sure that the job is done well. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, and I forgot the trusty old screwdriver, Phillips head. So let's just go in get this started.
The game is to checkmate. Something we'll explain clearly later on.
So as you can see, the speaker's soldered right here. What we're gonna do is desolder this. One down. Two down. Yeah. That's how it's done, baby. Out with the old and in with the new. Trying to figure out a good angle for you guys. So we'll take this plastic off. Nice. It's a nice copy though.
I don't know what's going to happen.
Don't you need the money?
Yeah, like that.
The safety of the king is paramount, because the object of the game is to checkmate.
So what we'll do is we'll tin this all over again.
Empezaron a analizar el problema. They began to analyze
Slightly.
the problem that I had. En tal condición que
Do the
este
other
señor
cases.
And then a psychiatrist asked me, ya que hemos puesto a Dios a un lado, now that we have put God aside, hemos puesto la religión a un lado, we have put religion aside, hemos puesto reverendo Wilkerson a un lado, we have put Reverend Wilkerson aside, ¿qué si yo? What if I paso hace o pasare por ese lugar, went by that place where
Be
you were at?
extremely careful when doing this. This is definitely something you want to do with someone that has experience. This is not for the faint of heart. Okay, and we'll tin this. I want this to be upside down. This is the downside, so red on red. This is going to be difficult. All right. Let's see. Let's check it out. So we're gonna plug this back in. Plug the speaker back in. Sounds good. That's it, baby. Unplug these. So that's as simple as it gets. You know, that was the repair on the Yamaha Ns-10, tinning and replacing the speaker with a new woofer. It was fairly easy, and you could probably do it. You don't need that much skill and knowledge in soldering in order to do this job. But on to the next one. It's working pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, man, so as you hear, we're back up and running. No longer have use for this speaker. You probably saw this in some of my other episodes and some of my other videos where this odd piece of tape was kind of keeping the spring and the speaker together, maybe keeping it bouncing. That's what I thought it was gonna do. But whatever, you know. I think that's enough for today, you know, but I got like 2 more projects to do. I gotta finish replacing a fader on my Pioneer DJM 400. One of the volume faders, some beer fell in there. Totally my fault. And stay tuned for that. And also stay tuned for the repair on the Numark Mix Track Pro 3. I'll be repairing and replacing the fader on that, the cross fader. We out. Deuces.